Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to open a short position in derivatives trading. Step 1. Firstly, click Trading. Select the desired pair, for example, BTC-PRP. Step 2. Next, in the order form, create a derivative sell order by indicating the order type, price, and amount. Step 3. Then, by dragging the slider or typing a number into the leverage box, select the leverage you wish to trade with. The leverage will determine the amount of allocated collateral. Step 4. Finally, to place your order, click Derivative Sell. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.